Hello friends, welcome back in a new video. In today's video, we will going to talk about HMI. If you are following my this YouTube channel, you must know that I have built many machine prototype projects using Arduino microcontroller. Two functions are very much important in machine prototype project building. The first is user data input and the second is process data display. Means you need something to input your data to the machine and you need something to display the process data from the machine. For process data display, I have used some displays like OLED display, 16:2 LCD display, TFT display. But this method have some limitations. These traditional displays are no doubt cheap but very much painful in programming. The code get very huge and complex for any normal size project. It also consumes huge amount of memory in Arduino because all of the code for display is saved in Arduino memory itself. So here HMI comes in picture. HMI stands for Human Machine Interface. By using HMI, we don't need any external hardware wiring for user input as well as no need to program anything in Arduino. This will save our whole lot of time. This is 3.5-inch screen touch HMI from Stone Technology, Beijing. Stone Technology is the leader in HMI business. They have three categories of HMI to choose from: industrial, advanced and civil type. These HMI have onboard powerful Cortex M4 32-bit CPU and 128 MB flash memory, which also supports video play function. Stone HMI also offer free GUI development software. You can download it from directly to their site for developing GUI for your HMI. And most important, they also offer 1 to 3 year unlimited warranty. During warranty period, you will get free replacement in case of product damage. Recently, I got a package of HMI from Stone Technology. Let's see what we have inside. Now I am making a demo testing rig to demonstrate the HMI interaction with Arduino. I am cutting a small piece of acrylic so I can mount HMI and other components for demonstration purpose. This is a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. These are two 5mm blue LEDs. This is simple small DC gear motor. This is 3D printed wheel mounting on DC motor. Let me explain briefly about the GUI development process. Here we have 4 screens. This is a basic screen. This screen is for motor control. This screen is for LED control. This screen is for showing data coming from Arduino. Here I have placed arrow button at top corner of the screen to navigate in between screens. At this screen, I placed a slider which sent analog data to Arduino to control speed of motor. This is a simple speedometer gauge to display speed in percentage. On this screen, I have some buttons to turn LED off and on. At this screen, I have a data variable box. This will show data which is coming from Arduino. After completing GUI development process, I compile the program and load to the HMI using USB cable. Let me explain Arduino code in brief. First, we declare some variables which is required further in code. This array we have created here will be used to send data from Arduino to HMI. I created a software serial port other than default serial port. This will save us from problem of frequently removing RxTx cable while uploading code to the Arduino. In void setup function, I initiated a serial communication at 115 to 00 baud rate and declare pin mode also. Now in loop void, in this first 4 line, we are getting data from potentiometer which is connected at A4 pin of Arduino and sending it to HMI. Here we are looking for available data at serial port from HMI. If any data came from HMI, first we will decide whether this data is coming from slider or button. If it is coming from slider, we wrote a function to change motor speed as per the data coming from HMI. If a data is coming from buttons, we wrote other function to turn LED on and off accordingly. After every single cycle, it is very necessary to clear string, otherwise data going to add again and again in string and code does not work as expected. Here our demo kit is ready. Now I am controlling components attached to Arduino from HMI.